Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, all kinds of astrology and foreign travel. So today we'll discuss about sun and the Karakatvas or the role of sun, the planet sun in Nadi astrology. As you know, sun is the king, the kingly planet. Okay, it has a very important role to play in anyone's chart. Okay, because it denotes fame, your father, and all. So today we are discussing Sun according to the Nadi astrology techniques and the whatever written in the Grantha. I am going to explain it. So Sun is the father, Sun is the soul. Okay. So you might be having a question that always I say Jupiter is the soul, Jupiter is the life. Yes, in Nadi astrology always we see from Jupiter. It is the Atma Karak. Okay. No doubt on that. Jupiter is the life indicator. That's why when the life starts, we start calculating from Jupiter. But in another concept, Sun is the soul. I'll tell you why. See, from Sun, we see your father and your son also. Okay, your children. So, your children is your Atma, okay, or your soul. That's why in that way sun is the indicator of soul. Next, government king. As you already know, if you want a government job or if you want anything from government, your sun have to be very good in your chart, have to be very good positioned in your chart. Sun is the government, sun is the king. Okay, in my another video I explained, if you want to, if you are targeting or if you want to know that whether you will be getting any honors or awards in this particular life or not, you have to see the connection between Jupiter and Sun. Okay, see that video, you will learn. Next, minister presidents. Why? Because in olden days there is, the concept of king, but nowadays there is democracy, and ministers and presidents rule any kingdom. So sun indicates minister and presidents also. You have to see this planet's position in any political chart. Okay, it's very important. So it also denotes eminent persons. Okay, next, honor, name, fame. I have already discussed. Yes, if you want a good name and good fame, this planet has to be positioned very well in your chart. Tridev. Why I have written this? Sun is actually denotes God. Sun basically the concept of Tridev, that is Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar. So there is a verse in Sanskrit. There is an old scripture in Bhrigu Samhita also. It is written that Udaye Brahma Swarupam Madhyane tu Maheshwara Astamane Swayam Vishnu Strai Murti Divakara. Okay, what does it mean? It means that during the morning time, sun is actually the concept of Brahma, and again it's basically the embodiment concept of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. At the noon time, at afternoon, sun denotes Maheshwara or Lord Shiva. Okay, and Astamane, that means at the time of setting, it actually denotes Swayam Vishnu. or Narayan. So that is why it's the embodiment concept of Tridev. So sun is the godly planet. Okay. In many videos, you will see the effect of sun, how it affects you. If you are thinking of any kind of ceremony or puja in your house and you want to see from your chart whether it's gonna happen or not, you have to see sun. So I have made a different video on that. Please have a look at it. So of course sun is a male planet. Next, it's the pitta. It's the pitta indicator or the bile. Okay. Next, sun indicates tejas or energy or glow. Okay. Sun indicates your right eye, and the color of this planet is like lotus. Okay. That's it about sun. And we'll discuss another planets, Karakatvas, in next videos. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and put a like or comment. Connect with me if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.